Hello friends, in the above video we have studied a basic theory regarding valuation of goodwill, factors affecting where a meaning of goodwill first of all, then factors affecting, then two methods, simple average method and the second one will be weighted average method. Now in this video we will study super profit method and capitalized profit method. Both these methods are very simple in these circumstances. First of all, we will do the steps for these methods. So our third method will be super profit method. आपकी तीसरी मेथड जो है वो है सुपर प्रॉफिट मेथड. तो दोस्तों आपको क्या करना है सुपर प्रॉफिट मेथड के फर्स्ट में. स्टेप 1 कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड इज इक्वल टू टोटल एसेट minus total liabilities. First of all, you have to obtain capital employed. Capital employed का मतलब होगा total asset में से total liability को less करना. That will be our step 1. These all information are given in the sum. Total asset also given, total liability also given. Step 2. Expected profit. Capital employed into expected rate of return. Expected rate of return. Number 3. Step 3. Obtain average profit by given information. Whether it is simple or weighted. We have to obtain average profit by given information, simple or weighted, whatever. Step number 4. Super profit is equal to average profit minus expected profit. Average profit minus expected profit, that will be our super profit. And the last step will be goodwill is equal to super profit into years of purchase. That will be our steps for the super profit method. Friends, you have to follow these steps for the super profit method. Okay, first learn their steps. One method is completely dependent on this method, and this method will be super profit capitalization method. super profit capitalization. Capital employed, total asset minus total liabilities, expected profit, capital employed into expected rate of return. Average profit, simple, weighted, whatever the method will be. Super profit, average profit minus expected profit. Now goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit upon expected rate of return into 100. That will be our final step for this method. So that is a super profit capitalization method. Write down this. The last and the fourth method will be method number 4. Capitalized profit method. Capitalized profit method. Now in this method, the same from the above one, step 1, capital employed, total asset minus total liabilities. Step 2, expected profit. Expected profit will be capital employed into expected rate of return. Step 3, obtain average profit. Whatever the formula will be, maybe from simple or weighted, whatever the situation, whatever the condition, whatever the situation. Step 4, capitalized profit is equals to average profit upon expected rate into 100. Average profit upon expected rate into 100. And the last and final step will be number 5, goodwill. Capitalized profit minus capital employed so let's concentrate. In this method there is no need to find out expected profit, friends, so we will remove that step from the method. Step 2, step 3 and step 4 will be our value of goodwill. Okay, so let's consider this, and from now onwards we will do sums. So friends, now onwards we will study 3 sums of these 3 methods and the chapter will be over. Correct? So let's begin. Sum number 6. Sum number 6 की figures में पढ़ रहा हूँ, देखिए. Pushpa, Pratibha and Bhavna are partners of a partnership firm. They decided to change their profit and loss sharing ratio from 3 to 1 to 1:1:1. Therefore, they decided to make the valuation of goodwill on the basis of partnership firm's profit and other information. Determine the value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of super profit. सुपर प्रॉफिट मेथड ये सब में आपको करना है और लास्ट में जो गुडविल फाइंड आउट करेंगे वो 3 ईयर परचेज के हिसाब से होगा. ठीक है, सो लेट्स फॉलो द स्टेप्स एंड कंप्लीट द सम. टोटल एसेट इज इक्वल टू लायबिलिटी. टोटल एसेट इज इक्वल टू 6 lakhs. Liabilities is equal to 2,50,000. Expected rate of return is equal to 10%. Actual profits of 3 years is given, so we have to obtain average profits and then super profit and then goodwill. So follow the steps and complete the sum. So first step will be capital employed. What will be the value of total assets? It will be 6 lakhs. Minus total liabilities is 2,40,000. So capital employed will be 3,50,000. Complete. Second step, expected profit 3,50,000 into what is the rate given? Expected rate of return is equal to 10%. So 10% rate, which means 35,000. Expected profit is equal to 35,000. Now third point, average profit. So yes, 14, 15 to 16, 17, 20, 14, 15, 20, 15, 16, 20, 16, 17. ठीक है, प्रॉफिट विल बी 80,000, 70,000, 90,000. देखिए, प्रॉफिट इज फ्लक्चुएटिंग. So we cannot do weighted average method. If profit are in increasing order, then we have to do weighted average method here too. Correct? So 80,000 plus 70,000, 1,50,000 plus 90,000, 2,40,000. So average profit is equals to 2,40,000 divided by 3, which means 80,000. Number of years, 3 years are given, so 80,000 is our average profit. Super profit, number 4, step number 4, super profit, average profit minus expected profit. What will be our average? 80,000 minus 35,000. So 45,000 is our super profit. And the last step will be goodwill. Goodwill. What is the formula for goodwill? Super profit into years of purchase. 45,000 into 3 year purchase is given. Page number 105 पर लास्ट लाइन में देख सकते हो आप कि determine the value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase. 3 years purchase. So multiply by 3 and answer will be 1,35,000. So that is our super profit method. Friends, this is sum number 8. You can do sum number 9, but in sum number 9 you can see the last 3 years profit are in increasing order. 1,20,000, 1,10,000, 1 lakh, 1,10,000, 1 lakh. So you have to write this way: first 1 lakh, then 1,10,000, then 1,20,000. Because last year means the above 1. Okay. So sum number 9, you have to do it at your own, at yourself. Take this sum in regards, follow the steps and do the sum number 9. फ्रेंड्स सम नंबर 9 आप लोग होमवर्क में कर लीजिएगा, क्योंकि वो सम में एवरेज प्रॉफिट फाइंड आउट करने के लिए ईयर 1 2 3 लिखना है और प्रॉफिट जो है वो ये ऑर्डर में लिखना है, हमेशा असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में. W 1 2 3. सम नंबर 9 आप लोग इस तरह कर लीजिएगा. बाकी सम नंबर 8 का जो स्टेप्स है उसको ही फॉलो करना है. सिर्फ थर्ड स्टेप में ये मेथड आपको कर लेना है. ओके फ्रेंड्स, सो नाउ लेट्स बिगिन सम नंबर 10 in which we have to obtain capitalized profit, capitalization method. So let's do. Listen, from the following information of Nairutva and Rutvik's firm determine the value of goodwill of the partnership firm on the basis of capitalization of weighted average profit method. Capitalization of weighted average profit method. कैपिटलाइजेशन जो लास्ट में किया जाता है उसी को बोलते हैं, बाकी सब स्टेप्स कॉमन ही रहेंगे. सम नंबर 10 लेट्स बिगिन. सम नंबर 10 में पहला जो स्टेप्स है वो तो हमेशा की तरह कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड. चलिए, बिजनेस एसेट कितना दिया हुआ है 6 lakhs माइनस लायबिलिटी दिया हुआ है 1,70,000. So answer will be 4,30,000. Second step, average profit. Yes, दिए हुए हैं, प्रॉफिट दिया हुआ है. First we have to decide which method we have to use. 12 13 13 14 14 15 15 16 16 17 45,000 50,000 65,000 75,000 90,000. Now friends, you can see that the profits year by year are in increasing order, so we have to obtain weighted average profit. Calculation this regards. W 1 2 3 4 5 total 15 45,000 1 lakh 65 into 3 do it in calculator. 1,95,000 75,000 into 4 3 lakhs 90,000 into 5 4 lakh 50,000. Total 45,000 plus 1 lakh plus 1,95,000 plus 3 lakhs plus 4,50,000. $45,000 मिस्टेक होगा उससे। टेन lakh 90,000 will be our weighted profit. Weighted average profit is equal to 10,90,000 divided by total weights 15. Total weights 15. So answer 72667. That will be our weighted average profit. Number 3. Step number 3. Capitalized profit. Weighted average profit upon expected rate into 100. What will be the expected rate of return? In sum number 10, normal expected rate of business is 10%. So 72667 upon 10 into 100. So answer will be 72670. Our capitalized profit will be 72670. Now number 4, goodwill. Goodwill is equal to capitalized profit minus capital employed. So 72670 minus 4,30,000. 4,30,000 को लेस किया जाए 7,26670 minus 430. 296,670, and that is the value of our goodwill. देखिए यहाँ पर 0.67 आ रहा है, लेकिन अकाउंटिंग में हम लोग फ्रैक्शंस को कभी भी कंसीडर नहीं करते, इसलिए यहाँ पर मैंने 7 ले लिया उसके हिसाब से. सो दैट इज अवर कैपिटलाइज्ड प्रॉफिट मेथड. Now we will do the last sum of this chapter, the last method also, the super profit capitalization method. Consider sum number 11. Determine the value of goodwill of Prabha and Prabhu's firm on the basis of capitalized super profit method. 11 number. Capital employed is directly given in the sum, so we doesn't want to or doesn't have to obtain it. 1 capital employed directly rupees 9 lakh. Given expected rate of return 12%. Expected rate this will be not 12%. So expected profit is equal to 9 lakh into 12%. 9 lakh into 12%. So answer will be 1,08,000. Our expected profit. Last 5 profits are given. Number 3. Year. You all put yours in that. Profit 1 lakh, 1,40,000, 1,30,000, 1,50,000, and the last one 1,80,000. Which method for average profit? You can say that we have to do simple average, because 1 lakh increasing, 1,30,000, now decreasing. So if profit is fluctuating, then we have to use simple average. Total of all the profits, friends, 1 lakh plus 1,40,000 plus 1,30,000 plus 1,50,000 plus 1,80,000. So total will be 7 lakhs. Average profit 7 lakhs divided by 5. 7 lakhs divided by 5. One lakh 40,000. Our fourth step will be super profit. And what is the formula for super profit? The formula for super profit is average profit minus expected profit. 1,40,000 minus 1,08,000. So our super profit will be 32,000. That's it. Correct? Now, the last and the final step of this chapter in the sum, capitalized super profit. 32,000 divide 12%, 12 into 100. Capitalized profit 32,000 into 100 divided by 12, then answer will be 2,66,667. So that is our sum number 11. Now consider sum number 12. Rajesh, Harish are partners of a firm. On the basis of their partnership firm's profit and other information, determine the value of goodwill on the basis of 2-year purchase of super profit. Very simple, friends. You have to do super profit method like we have done in sum number 8. So that's all from chapter number 3. Now it's time to give you a homework. तो homework में आपको all the illustrations सब इलस्ट्रेशन गिनिएगा, क्योंकि एक एक इलस्ट्रेशन दिए हुए सब मेथड्स के आपको पता चल जाएगा कि कैसे कौन सी मेथड कब इस्तेमाल करना है, और ये जो मेथड के स्टेप्स जो है वो हमेशा आप फॉलो करते रहना. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, सो दैट इज ऑल फ्रॉम चैप्टर नंबर 3. गुड बाय.